During the summer, it's easy to get dehydrated. Wet your whistle with the ultimate summer fruit that's juicy, hydrating, and the perfect refreshing treat. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm going wild for watermelon and serving it up 2 different and nutritious ways: watermelon fruit pizza and grilled citrus watermelon. I'm going to start with the watermelon fruit pizza. To begin, grab a medium bowl and combine 1 cup of thawed frozen whipped topping with a 1/4 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. Spread this mixture onto a 1-inch thick seedless watermelon slice. Next, top with assorted fresh strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Garnish with fresh mint and a drizzle of Hy-Vee honey. Then cut the watermelon into wedges like pizza slices. Bon appetit! Watermelon is 92% water, making it a great choice to help you and your skin stay hydrated. Next up is the grilled citrus watermelon. To begin, prepare a grill pan over medium-high heat. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of orange zest, a 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee honey. Then, cut a seedless watermelon into 1-inch thick slices. Grill the watermelon slice for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn and brush the slice with the orange juice mixture. Grill for 2 more minutes, then remove and brush with the remaining orange juice mixture. Cut each slice into 4 watermelon wedges and serve, topped with a 1/2 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt and a 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries. Garnish with orange zest if desired. Find these recipes on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.